Apple's privacy measures are going to cut. Oh, we already covered this one.
Oh, yeah.
10. That's the 10 billion number. Apple has created a smart sunroof that lets you decide how much light you want inside. This looks like a patent filing. It's been a while since we've had one of those on the show. Wouldn't you say, Will? Good old-fashioned patent.
I like it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Here we go. While Apple has remained completely tight-lipped about it, everybody knows the company is working on an Apple car. Apple car. You like tight-lipped?
I've just never heard that before.
So you like. Yeah, the Apple car thing. I guess we haven't. It's tough with the Apple car because they're just so secretive, and everyone knows they probably are. You look at the hiring and the job listings and all these Tesla people working, and you're like, wait a second. What's that all about? And every so often we see one of these things right here, which is, like I said, a patent filing of sorts or some sort of patent drawing. And we all try to imagine what this Apple car would be like, the types of features it could have that we haven't seen before. This could be one of those features, and Willie Doo likes it.
I like it because there's not a lot of roof tech in cars.
Yeah.
There needs to be more.
Big roof tech guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put some effort in some roof
Well, what about
tech.
roof tech in general? Not even just cars, just roof tech.
Oh, yeah. Everything's outdated now that I think about it.
Yeah, roof.
But,
Didn't Elon do something with the
Talking about Elon.
solar panel?
roof.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't get it. They can't make it fast enough. And I was trying to get in touch with them for years over that stuff. I know I'm in Canada, which makes it more complicated, but installing and it's just tough. All right.
Right.
Roof tech.
Yeah.
It's a tough time. Plus, over here is not the most optimal spot for solar because of. I don't know if you've been outside today.
No.
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 Yeah, you get that snow. I guess it would.
Oh, I guess you know that it's a glass roof now. The Apple car is going to have a glass roof.
As an option, at least.
Yeah.
But again, hey, sometimes they just do stuff like this in case they want to make it one day.
Yeah.
It's not
Oh,
even
I
part
see.
of a product that's immediately in development. Sometimes they want to patent something just so no one else does it.
Okay.
What do they call that? Patent trolling? Is that the name of that?
Uh-huh.
I don't know. In addition to ongoing talks with various parties involved in the automotive industry, Apple is also working around the clock developing new technology that one day could make its way into the ambitious self-driving EV. Most recently, the iPhone makers patented a new sunroof design whose purpose would be to make it possible for drivers to decide just how much light they want inside, which is sort of like, often if you have a glass roof, you would have one of those units, like in an SUV, it comes across like a shade and blocks the glass roof if you don't want it. But in a car like this with a sloping roof line, and do you ever see when people have the windows that they hit a button and then it goes opaque, like private?
Yeah.
No.
I think
The glass
the most recent Speedtail has it.
has this one or the
They
or what I
tint.
said?
Yeah, it's like electromagnetic. I don't know the technology, but it tints the glass.
It's lovely. I think you could imagine. I'm sure it's expensive, but in a residential setting, instead of blinds, you just hit the button. The window turns off or on.